Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt sauce. Start with the foundation, plain, unsweetened yogurt. Aim for about 1 cup, 240 milliliters of a thick variety like Greek yogurt for the best texture. Next, select your fresh herbs. A 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters of finely chopped dill or mint works wonderfully. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, about 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, to brighten the flavors. This simple base is incredibly versatile and forms a perfect canvas. Now let's talk about customizing your yogurt sauce to suit your taste. For a savory kick, mince 1 clove of garlic and stir it in. A 1/4 teaspoon, 1.25 milliliters of ground cumin or smoked paprika can add a delightful depth. If you prefer a hint of sweetness, a 1/2 teaspoon, 2.5 milliliters of honey or maple syrup will beautifully balance the tanginess of the yogurt. Remember, tasting as you go is key to achieving your perfect flavor profile. Achieving the right consistency is crucial for a great yogurt sauce. In a medium bowl, combine your yogurt, herbs, citrus, and any additional seasonings. Whisk everything gently but thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and all ingredients are evenly distributed. If your sauce seems too thick, you can add water, about 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters at a time, until it reaches your desired pourable or dollopable consistency. Avoid overmixing, as this can sometimes thin out the yogurt too much. Your delicious yogurt sauce is now ready to elevate your meals. It's fantastic served chilled alongside grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, or as a refreshing dip for pita bread. For the best flavor, let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows all the wonderful ingredients to meld together. Any leftover sauce can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days, ensuring you can enjoy its fresh taste later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.